This video is for class 8 physics and we are doing uses of concave mirror. So a concave mirror is put into the following uses. Number 1, as a saving mirror, because it can form a virtual and enlarged image. Okay, as a reflector, as a doctor's head mirror to convert solar radiations into a solar cooker, in floodlights as reflector. So let us discuss this particular points one by one. The first one is use of concave mirror as a saving mirror. A concave mirror forms an erect and magnified image of an object placed close to it. This fact enables us to use it as a saving mirror. The last diagram for the concave mirror, if you remember, we had done in the previous video, okay, where an enlarged image was formed behind the mirror, right? So that diagram is applicable for the concave mirror when it is used as a saving mirror. The next one is use of concave mirror as a reflector. As you all know, a concave mirror is a converging mirror, so it can be used as a reflector like here shown in the diagram. It is converging the light. Okay, so now the same property can be used in the reverse order also. That means if there is a bulb here, it throws lights in all the direction. So now if this particular bulb is kept at the focus, then what will happen is all the light after reflection becomes parallel to the principal axis. So if a source of light is placed at the focus of a concave mirror, we get parallel beam of reflected light. This fact enables us to use it as a reflector in a torch, searchlight and headlight of a car and other vehicles, and the source of the light bulb is placed at the focus of a concave mirror, concave reflector. Sorry, now this reflector is a concave mirror. Probably when you have observed your torch light, the front part of your torch light, the silvery part which is curved inwards, that will act as a concave reflector. The vehicle's headlights, if you see the lights in front of the vehicle, it will also have that silver colored concave reflector, so that it can produce parallel beam of light. So point number 3, use of concave mirror as a doctor's head mirror. If you have gone to an ENT doctor, right, so when they start checking your ear, nose or throat, right, they try to put a kind of a cap where the bulb glows and the doctor starts looking at the patient. So if a parallel beam of light is incident on a concave mirror, it converges the beam to a point and a point called focus. This fact enables us to use it as a doctor's head mirror to concentrate light on a small area to be examined, like nose, throat, ear, teeth, etc. So here they put a kind of a cap, right, on which this particular thing is there. So when the light is thrown on top of this particular reflector, it can be focused on a point or at a point. It is the reverse thing of what we have used in point number 2, right? It's the reverse process what we have learned in point number 2. So going to the next use, the next use is use of concave mirror in a solar cooker to converge the sun rays. Probably you have studied solar cooker in geography, or you might study solar cookers in the EVS in in your high classes. So out there a concave mirror is used in a solar cooker so that it enables all the sunlight whatever is falling on it to a fixed direction, to a fixed point, that is the focus. So in a solar cooker a concave mirror is used to reflect the sun rays so as to converge them on a cooking material placed in the focus of the concave mirror. So cooking material is placed at the focus of a concave mirror used as a reflector. The next thing is the use of concave mirror in floodlights as reflectors. So floodlight, source of light is a bulb, is placed between the pole and the focus of a concave mirror. So if it is placed between the pole and the focus of a concave mirror, as you all know, to obtain a divergent beam of light, so it can produce a divergent beam of light. So hence it can be used as a floodlight. Next thing is the uses of convex mirror. A convex mirror is put to the following uses. Number one, as a rear view mirror in the vehicle, okay, to see the vehicles coming from the back, as a reflector in the street lamps, and as a vigilance or anti-theft mirror. Okay, before we had this CCTV cameras, okay, this vigilance or anti-theft mirror was used. Okay, so now number one, use of convex mirror as a rear view mirror. A convex mirror diverges the incident light rays and always forms a small and a erect image between its pole and the focus. That is the only one diagram, right, only one condition where the images are formed in case of convex mirrors. So this fact enables us to use it as a rear view mirror by a driver to see all the traffic behind him approaching in the mirror. Figure 5.36 shows that a convex mirror has a wider field of view than a plane mirror. Here you can see if you are using a plane mirror as a rear view mirror, what happens is the field of view, that means the area, okay, the area which the reflected light covers is less compared to the area covered by the convex mirror. It covers a broader area, right, a bigger area. So that means more number of images can be fit into this particular area, right. So whatever the vehicles are coming from the back, more will be visible if we are using convex mirror. Now the next thing is use of convex mirror as a reflector in street lamps. So the fact that the convex mirror diverges the light, right, it is called diverging mirror incident on it, enables us to use it as a reflector in the street lamps. The light from a bulb placed in front of a convex mirror diverges over a large area in the street as shown in this figure. So when the bulb is kept in front of it, as you all know, when the bulb throws the light this on the convex mirror, the light rays gets diverged out. Hence this property of this particular mirror can be used in the street lamps, right. Now coming to the last point of this chapter, that is the use of convex mirror as a vigilance mirror. A big showroom and departmental stores nowadays they are using the CCTV cameras. Before the invention of CCTV cameras, or when it was very costly, then people used convex mirrors as to have a view on the customers entering as well as going out. The mirrors so used are called the vigilance or anti-theft mirrors. Okay, so I hope you have understood this particular chapter, right. So this much for this video. Thank you so much.